Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Taurus. I think Ace of Pentacles, there is a lot of money is coming towards you, a lot of financial stability, abundance is coming towards you. I think you have a lot of passion towards your work, Taurus, and I think you are waiting for long-term commitment in relationship also. But I am seeing you are very, very passionate towards your work rather than relationship. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Empress, the Lovers, and Judgment. And so let's see. Empress, you stand by your power. Maybe one person in this connection could be a mother having kids, and you made some major decision regarding this relationship in recent past, because the Judgment is here. There is love between both of you, and this is mutual, the Lovers card. I think your person may be attracted to you physically. There is something is not correct in this connection. Maybe you decided to make some major decision regarding this relationship. You already made that. So then present Magician, Page of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. So there is no equal give and take for some. So that's why they're coming back with an apology. There is no collaboration and there is no partnership. But you decided to holding back, because Four of Pentacles, you are holding back, Taurus. And you are manifesting something big into your life. You will be in this energy, the Magician energy. But they are coming back. Maybe your person is immature. They are coming back with an apology. And future energies, Four of Cups, Nine of Swords, and Four of Wands. You want this happiness with your person, but it is not happening. That's why you decided to focus on your career. Ace of Pentacles. Four of Cups with Nine of Swords. So this energy causing you so much depression, anxiety in you, Nine of Swords, energy, lot of thoughts, and you are feeling missed opportunity with your person. There is something happening between you and your person. Maybe you made a major decision, maybe you decided to move on because you are holding back here. You love them a lot, but there is no honesty. Maybe your person is non-committal to you. That's why you are feeling sad, you are feeling missed opportunity with them. Four of Cups with this Nine of Swords. So you want this, but it is not happening right now. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, especially Gemini, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Taurus. But you are holding back. For what reason? You know very well. Yes, their feelings, why you are holding back? Because they're guarded up right now. They will come when they want. And Three of Wands, they always keep putting you in waiting period. This is a waiting game. Right now your person may be focusing on their career, Nine of Pentacles energy. And the Sun, they are thinking about their career right now, their happiness. They are guarded up. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them. Maybe that is the reason you are holding back, but you are suffering also. So Three of Wands, this could be a long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see their actions. Taurus, your person near future actions. Four of Cups again. I think they are physically attracted to you. There is no emotional thing between both of you. And Ace of Cups is here under the deck. I think even though they have love for you, but they're not taking any action because they have no time for some. Because Four of Cups, yes, they're feeling just like that. Yeah, I'm missing them. Okay, it is okay. Then they started focusing on their career, on their work. You person nature is very living in the present moment type. So they are not focusing on past, they are not focusing on the future, they will focusing only on the present. The type of energy I'm getting, they're not taking anything into their heart. So yeah, there is attraction. And Eight of Swords, they're feeling stuck, they're not going to make any action because Eight of Swords, maybe they're scared for some, they're not taking any responsibility, they are scared about responsibilities also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yes, they're feeling. And Seven of Wands. So maybe for some you person in near future, they will make action towards you, but it will take so much time because Four of Cups, the Lovers, Eight of Swords, they are feeling stuck here. But near future, they realize you both because Three of Swords with Four of Wands, then they will start making a move towards you. Again, I'm saying it will take so much time. Because now your person really feeling stuck and they focused on their career also. And you are very defensive and you are becoming like very defensive. And King of Wands, you are standing by your power, you are focusing on yourself. Taurus, you are taking your control back. Yes, there someone is communicating with you. Maybe they want to send some message, communication, because Page of Cups is also there. Yes, separation, cold shouldering, and Queen of Pentacles. Right now, maybe you also decided to work on yourself, on your finances. They also decided to work on their finances and career. Maybe in past they hurt you. They treated you as an option. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Taurus. You are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work, and you are feeling overburdened due to you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Your wishes are going to be granted. You are working on yourself. You want to restore balance within you. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. I think they will fight for your attention, but it will take time. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Communication is coming. Yes, communication is coming for sure. First, they will communicate with you. Then they will start when communication will open up between both of you. They started realizing your worth. Then they will make action towards you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. Your dreams need a practical plan and show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius and it is full moon in Taurus. So you want to achieve anything in your life. So you need a practical plan and show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So if you're having any emotions towards anyone, show the real feelings. Okay, don't hide your feelings. Tell them your feelings clearly without any hesitation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much.